Are you ready to make a smart move with VOO ETF? In this video, we're about to take a deep dive into the world of VOO. Our initial report, released on our website back on Friday, October 20, 2023, was just the beginning. Today, we bring you an even more comprehensive analysis that will blow your mind. Make sure to stay connected by subscribing, smashing that like button, and hitting the notification bell. We're constantly sharing valuable insights that can have a massive impact on your investments. Don't miss out on any game-changing updates. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our groundbreaking AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available exclusively at StockInvest.us. Unleash the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Just a friendly reminder, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Hey there! I've got some interesting news for you. Starting from October 18, 2023, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.96. But wait, let's dive deeper into the stock's performance during this period. It's going to be quite a ride. Brace yourself, because the stock actually experienced a loss of -2.08%. Can you believe it? That's an average loss of -0.69% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. Brace yourself for some interesting insights. The ETF is currently caught in a falling trend in the short term, but there's even more to this story. Hold on tight, because the next 3 months could see a potential -5.72% change. That means a possible return between -6.82% and -2.12%. Exciting times lie ahead. Let's take a leap into the future. The 12-month trend suggests a whopping 16.84% change. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine a potential return between 16.84% and 31.41%. This could mean a price range of $452.17 to $508.54 after a year. Incredible, isn't it? Attention investors! I have some exciting news about VOO for you today. Brace yourselves, because the VOO ETF price took a tumble. On the last trading day, it fell by a whopping -1.25%. That's right, from $391.87 it dropped to $386.99. And guess what? This is the third consecutive day of decline. Talk about a roller coaster ride. Hold on tight, because there's more. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced some wild swings, fluctuating by 1.29% from a low of $386.84 to a high of $391.82. It's been quite a turbulent period for the price, with a loss of -1.92% over the past 2 weeks. But wait, there's a twist. Volume actually increased on the last day by 853,000 shares, despite the falling prices. This may be a sign of things to come, as the risk could be slightly elevated in the next few days. Keep an eye out for any surprises. Let's take a trip down memory lane. Over the past 52 weeks, the VOO ETF reached its highest point at $422.15 and its lowest point at $334.13. Quite a range, isn't it? As of now, the price is sitting at a tantalizing 8.33% or $35.16 below its 52-week high. And wait for it, it's a staggering 12.3% or $54.27 below its all-time high on January 4, 2022, when it reached a mind-blowing $441.26. Oh, what a ride it has been. Attention investors! Get ready for some exciting news about VOO. Brace yourselves because we have some important signals to share with you. First up, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is giving us a strong buy signal. But wait, there's more. We can't ignore the negative signals that have also been issued. These could potentially impact the stock's short-term development. Not looking too good, right? Well, hold on tight, because it's about to get even more interesting. The VOO ETF has sell signals coming from both short and long-term moving averages, which paints a more negative forecast. To add to that, there's a general sell signal from the relationship between the two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Uh-oh. Looks like we might face some resistance at $395.75 and $400.59 if the stock tries to bounce back. But hey, if it manages to break through these levels, we might just see some buy signals. Hold your breath because there's more to consider. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, October 11, 2023, and the stock has fallen by -3.48% since then. Experts predict further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. And here's a heads up, volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This could be an early warning sign, so keep a close eye on this ETF. Now for the exciting part. The ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, January 9, 2023 in the long-term chart. This is a rare occurrence where the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line all meet in a special combination. And guess what? This often leads to long and strong gains for the ETF. So, there might be some good news on the horizon after all. Are you ready to discover some fascinating signals? Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's a strong buy signal. Next, we have pivots. It's giving us a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger is another interesting signal. It gave us a buy signal just 1 day ago. Pay attention to the short-term moving average. It's been indicating a sell signal for the past 4 days. On the other hand, the long-term moving average is showing a buy signal 28 days ago. Now, the relation between the short and long moving averages. It gave us a buy signal 23 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we can see some interesting trends. The short moving average is indicating a sell signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is showing a sell signal 23 days ago. However, the relation between the short and long moving averages gave us a buy signal 14 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Get ready for a deep dive into VOO support, risk, and stop-loss levels. Brace yourself, because the accumulated volume below today's level doesn't offer any support. And guess what? The ETF might just perform terribly in the next few days, if certain conditions align. But don't worry, VOO usually moves in a controlled manner, with great liquidity, making the risk very minimal for this stock. Let's talk numbers. In the last 24 hours, the ETF experienced a price range of $4.98, which accounts for a 1.29% fluctuation. And that's not all. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.29%. Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of day trading and exploring some potential levels for VOO. Picture this, an upward trend is on the horizon. The first resistance level for VOO stands at an impressive $396.96. If you're itching to get in on the action, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a golden opportunity for some swing trading. Brace yourselves, because here's the kicker. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below. Translation, under certain conditions, the stock could take a sharp nosedive. So, unless you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate these treacherous waters, proceed with caution. Don't jump in blindly unless you can handle the heat. Our evaluation of this ETF is not looking good, and we don't have a safety net in place. Are you curious about VOO ETF? Let's take a closer look at VOO. Unfortunately, it currently holds several negative signals and is within a falling trend. This indicates that it may not perform well in the next few days or weeks. Our evaluation is therefore negative. However, interestingly enough, our analysis shows that the current price of VOO is undervalued based on its volatility and recent movements. If you're planning to trade on Monday, October 23rd, we anticipate that VOO will open up by $1.56 and start trading at $388.55. Trading can be a thrilling venture, but it's important to remember the inherent risks involved. Before making any investment decisions, we strongly advise consulting with a knowledgeable financial advisor. At StockInvest.us, we provide valuable information to aid your decision-making process, but the ultimate responsibility lies with you. By utilizing our resources, you accept the accountability for your own investment choices. Welcome to our latest stock update. We're excited to share our current view on the market with you. But we want to hear from you too. Agree or disagree? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And hey, what's your target for the ETF? We're all ears. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Now, let's dive into the world of trading and make it a successful, beautiful day together. Sending our warm regards from the entire team here at StockInvest.